2026 Assam floods changed the landscape of Upper Assam in a matter of days. Entire communities were displaced, thousands of families were forced into relief camps, and reaching the worst affected areas became one of the biggest challenges for rescue teams. In several locations, even boats could not safely reach the affected. Helicopters supported the relief effort well, but reaching narrow scattered pockets remained a practical challenge. For Drones Tech Lab, a company rooted in Assam with nearly a decade of experience in disaster response, this called for an immediate coordinated effort. Working alongside the government of Assam and multiple agencies on ground, our payload drones delivered food, drinking water, and essential medicines to communities where standard access had broken down. Beyond deliveries, our teams also carried out aerial surveys across the affected regions, identifying isolated pockets and giving relief coordinators a clearer picture of where support was needed most. The true value of drone technology becomes most evident in situations like these, not because it replaces the relief efforts already underway, but because it extends their reach. That is exactly what this operation set out to do.